Hey, it's Josh from Genesis, and here are some tips to make sure that your staff is on board and really engaged when you launch your private label. First, before you even get to that point, you want to make sure they're part of the very beginning process of you selecting the products, testing formulas, and choosing the products and brand and supplier you go with. If they don't feel part of it, they're not going to feel like it's their brand, they're going to feel like it's your brand. So you want them to be there at the ground level. Second tip, maybe they're even part of the naming of the brands and naming of the products, and really bring them on board so they can identify with the brand. And then third, and really, really importantly, when you launch the brand, because this isn't a traditional brand, you're not going to have an educator coming in and launching it on behalf of the brand. So you have to do that yourself and leverage your team to do that. Prior to the launch, have them each identify with the products, play with them, come up with their own personalized cocktails, and share with their peers so that when you have this really rich launch class, everyone feels bought into it. And making sure that they feel on the ground level that it's their brand and not yours is critical in making sure that they're going to be successful with it and that you're going to be successful with it. And lastly, you may want to consider leveraging some of that extra margin you have with your own private label brand and somehow channeling some of those benefits back to your team so they feel there's something in it for them too. Have a great success with the launch of your brand.